Hello, thank you for tuning in to the Wheeler Detailers YouTube channel. My name is Martin, and in this video we're going to talk about my favorite detailing stool. For many years ago we were searching for the perfect detailing stool for our detailing trainings. You have to sit on a stool for many hours when detailing, when polishing a car, especially the lower parts. Then you want to sit comfortably and you want sometimes to adjust your height as well. We tried many detailing stools that we could find over the internet, often very cheap, but cheap always doesn't mean good either. So then we found the global stoolers from Denmark. In this video I'm gonna unbox it, I'm gonna assemble it, I'm gonna use it, and I'm gonna explain to you how you can maintain it as well. So enough said, let's unbox. 2 boxes, a seat, a lower part with wheels, and a stainless, not sure what the English word for this is, and a stainless shock absorber. The bottom plate already comes with the 5 bared wheels all mounted. See here, it swivels and everything is bared. And everything is made of stainless steel as well. So this means that you can also use it, for example, in wet circumstances. Ideally you would dry it or let it dry with air afterwards, but it will not rust or it will not corrode. The bottom plate is equipped with the 5 wheels, and 2 of the 5 wheels are equipped with a brake, and 3 wheels don't have brakes on it. Sometimes they wear off and then you can purchase these replacement wheels over the website, one with brake and one without brake. And it's very easy to dismantle it. So you need a Torx. Then the bolt comes loose and you can replace it easily with the replacement wheel and then all bolted together again. So easy as that. Then you're gonna put the shock absorber in here, the seat on top. And then you've got 2 small storage boxes for some small equipment, some cold brushes for your machine polisher, some applicators, some small polishing pads, just stuff that you need often, a brush for example, and you can pretty much move that around all over the bottom plate. That's it. This is the most solid working garage stool that I found for detailing. So how does it go in practice? So in this case I'm sitting on the rollable detailing stool and I can adjust the height like this. I like to sit low. Then the cushion is made of rubber, so it's very solid. Also when I move around, also after many hours, I don't get a sore bottom, so it keeps on sitting quite comfortable. So next to adjusting height and comfortable sitting, it just moves around super easy. You know, the wheels roll very easy because all the wheels are bared. And if I want to work on the lower parts of the car, in this case I've got a duster here, I want to remove some dust, it sits very comfortable and I can maneuver myself pretty much everywhere where I want to go, with my feet going the direction where I want to go. How good the bared wheels roll, so if I give it a small push, that's like 4 or 5 meters easily, and that's with a small push. So that works really good. And not only when the surface is flat, in case of these flat tiled floor, but here we've got the rib tracks roll easily onto here, on top of this. So it makes me effortlessly use my duster around the car that needs some washing because it hasn't been driven for a long time, too busy. But it goes great on the Swiss Trax floors, even if you have the Diamond Trax floors, which is the closed version. And also, it's also usable, you can also have seen that probably in some other videos of us, that I use it in a washing bay. And you can maybe think, hey, but it's wet in a washing bay. Yeah, it's often wet in the washing bay. But brackets, everything is from stainless. So, and what you see here is pretty much some hairs and some dust that it collects from there. Just you need for maintenance, you need to remove it every now and then. What I also do sometimes is that I clean it with the Tornador cleaning gun. You're going to use some multifunctional spray and you're going to spray in here into these axles where the brackets hold the wheel. You spray in a little bit of this multifunction spray so it keeps on rolling effortlessly. Easy as that. So that was unboxing, assembling, showing you how it works on a flat floor, showing you how it works on a rip tracks floor, showing you how to maintain it, how to clean it, and how to keep it well lubricated. So you're gonna enjoy this beautiful detailing garage working stool for a very long time, and it may be even the last detailing stool you're ever gonna purchase, or you're gonna purchase one extra. That's a wrap. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you'd like to see me sitting the whole video on this detailing stool, then you might click on the pop-up banner and check that video as well. Thank you for watching. See you guys and girls in the next one. Bye bye.